Alright guys, so I'm gonna have my little girl hit our truck right here. I'm gonna have her hit it somewhere right here, put a dent on it, and then I'm gonna show you how I take it out. This is on my own personal vehicle. I don't have any panels at the moment to show you how to take a dent out. So here we go. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Where are you gonna hit it at?
Right.
No, try to hit it somewhere right here.
Right here?
You ready?
Yeah.
Hold it with both hands. Go for it. Hit it. Yeah, yeah. You gotta swing harder than that. Swing hard. Ready? Go. Okay, that's it. So as you can see in the video, I had my little girl put a dent on our truck on the bedside. I had her use a hammer and put a couple of dents on there, and just gonna show you how I took them out. It's not, you know, it's. I wish there was more light outside. It was already getting kind of dark. I didn't set up right, you know. I'll just kind of show you how it's performed, how I took out that dent with that blunt tip and that tip only, and how you have to, you know, cross-check different angles so you can see how it looks from the other side. So yeah, check out the video. So I'm going to be using this right here, straight metal tip, blunt, round, to get that dent out. So I'm going to go right in the center of this dent, start pushing it out. Real slow pushes. You can see it disappear here in a bit. You got to start just straight to that center pin and work your way around it. We'll come back to this one over here. Another dent we had her do right on the bottom. It is. It's looking good, huh? And this is all done with this blunt tip right here. I'll let you know where I got this tool from after we're done with this dent. So it'll look good from the other angle, but if you come on the opposite side, you can see those high spots right there. So we got to knock those down to make it nice and flat. So that's one of the things you want to do, is cross-check your dents. Make sure when you work on it from one side of the angle, you come back. And when you work on it from one angle, you want to come back and make sure you work on it from a different angle. You can't just rely on one side. You got to cross-check your work. Well, thanks for watching. If you guys like what you see, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. I'll be posting more videos like this. You know, this is just a little small dent that I did. You know, I'll be starting to put more bigger dents as I go. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching again.